Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Discord server for Marvel Rivals. First, open Discord and locate the plus icon on the left sidebar to add a new server. Choose the option to create your own server, then select for a club or community. Give your server a fitting name, like Marvel Rivals Community, and upload a cool icon. This initial step takes less than 1 minute and lays the foundation for your gaming hub. Now, let's organize your server. Create several text channels for different topics, such as general chat, game strategies, and looking for group posts. Don't forget voice channels for seamless team communication during intense matches. Next, set up roles like admin, moderator, and player, assigning specific permissions to each. This structure helps manage your community effectively and ensures smooth interactions among members. To elevate your server, integrate useful Discord bots. Consider adding moderation bots to keep the environment safe and friendly for everyone. You can also find game-specific bots that provide Marvel Rivals news, player statistics, or enhanced looking for group functionalities. Remember to carefully configure each bot's permissions and commands. Testing them thoroughly ensures they operate as intended, adding significant value to your community experience. Finally, focus on building a vibrant community. Clearly define server rules to foster respectful interactions among members. Promote your new Marvel Rivals server across social media platforms and relevant game forums to attract new players. Host engaging events, such as custom game nights or friendly tournaments, to keep members active and excited. Encourage existing members to invite their friends, helping your community grow steadily and organically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.